Need a reason to smile. From the Louisiana Lottery, this is The Big Deal.
Hi, and welcome to The Big Deal, the Louisiana Lottery's fun and informative news show. I'm Kelly Spell.
And I'm Kimberly Chopin. We're starting things off with a big heads up to our Powerball players. That's because we have 2 large prizes about to expire this month.
Check those tickets.
Both of those tickets matched 4 white ball numbers plus the Powerball number to win $10,000. Now, draw style game prizes must be claimed within 180 days of the drawing. A list of prizes and redemption deadlines can be found on our website. Now, Kelly, a lot of people ask, what happens to unclaimed prize money? Well, we'd always like to find the original winner who holds that winning ticket. The good news is that unclaimed prize money is used to bump up those prize payouts on our scratch-off games, as well as to help fund player promotions. Now, speaking of promotions, 6 lottery players and their friends will be attending a New Orleans Hornets game thanks to the lottery.
That's right, they won our Hoops in the Hive promotion that we held last month. We had 6 total winners from Club Lotto, Facebook, and Twitter. Almost 500 entries, so we want to thank everybody who took time to participate. Now, all of those winners are going to the game tonight for free on us, and they get to bring 5 of their friends, so we know they're going to have a good time. Hey, and we're going to announce a new promotion on next week's episode of The Big Deal, so be sure to tune in.
That's right.
Finally today, we want to make sure you guys know how to play responsibly.
So we're stepping up efforts, especially during National Problem Gambling Awareness Week, which starts next week. You know, the lottery promotes responsible play year-round by including the Problem Gambling Helpline on all of our advertising materials. Because we want to know where people can go to get help if they feel like they need it.
Definitely.
Now, responsible play tips include setting a dollar limit and sticking to it. Never gamble with borrowed money. Never gamble because you have an emotional issue. And remember, we want to keep it fun. It is a game. And treat the money you lose as part of your entertainment costs. More tips and resources like this can be found on our website. Well, that's all we have for today. Thanks for tuning in.
We'll see you next week on another episode of The Big Deal.
You need a reason to smile.